Hi everyone, this is Mama J and welcome to Mama J's Kitchen. Today we're doing a little experiment and making apple and Vidalia onion ketchup. Different, I know, but let's get started. First, core and cut the apples. You can leave them chunky or cut them fine. This is going to cook a long time, so cut them as you desire. Next, we're going to slice some onions. Again, cut them as coarse or fine as you like, as this is going to cook for hours. Place the apple and onion in a pot, then add the sugar and vinegar and set it over high heat and bring to the boil. Once the liquid starts to boil, add the salt and spices, stir well to combine, and continue to cook over medium-high heat, uncovered. And continue cooking. And cooking. And cooking until you get to about this stage. We want the fruit and onion broken down almost to a paste. Remove it from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Next, use an immersion blender to make a fine puree. Put the puree into a sieve, stir and press it through the mesh to remove the pulp. When you're finished, you should be left with a small amount of pulp. Now funnel the ketchup into sterilized bottles. This is a very thick mixture, and stirring helps it go down the funnel. This was a long process, taking about 3 hours start to finish, and the finished product was just okay. Feel free to give it a try, but I don't think I've discovered the next big thing. Leave this out at room temperature for at least 2 weeks to mature. Refrigerate it, then enjoy. Thank you for joining me, and if you like this, hit that thumbs up and let me know.